Hey everyone. Welcome back to the place where we turn complex cybersecurity topics into simple, snackable knowledge. Today, we're diving into a core concept of modern IT, cloud services. Specifically, we're going to break down the three major types: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. What do they mean? How are they different? And when should you use each one? Let's get into it. First up, SaaS, software as a service. This is the most familiar to everyday users. SaaS delivers fully functional software over the internet. Think Gmail, Google Docs, or Zoom. You just log in and use it. No installation, no maintenance. It's perfect for individuals and businesses who want convenience, automatic updates, and minimal technical overhead. The downside? You have limited control over the app's features or backend. Next, we have PaaS, platform as a service. This is aimed at developers. It provides a platform with tools and services for building, testing, and deploying applications. Think of it like a ready-to-use kitchen. You bring the ingredients, and everything else is provided. Examples include Heroku, Google App Engine, and Microsoft Azure App Services. PaaS streamlines development, but you don't control the underlying infrastructure, which can limit flexibility. Then there's IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This gives you virtualized computing resources over the internet, like virtual machines, storage, and networking. It's like renting the entire kitchen, appliances and all, but you're the chef. Amazon EC2 and Microsoft Azure VMs are great examples. IaaS offers maximum control and scalability, but with more responsibility for setup, maintenance, and security. So, when should you use each? SaaS is ideal for standard business tasks, email, collaboration, CRM. PaaS is great for developers who want to focus on coding without worrying about infrastructure. IaaS suits IT pros and businesses that need flexible, scalable environments with full control. In terms of drawbacks, SaaS can feel restrictive. PaaS might lock you into a specific platform, and IaaS requires more technical knowledge to manage effectively. But together, these models give you a spectrum of options based on how much control and responsibility you want. Think of it like this. SaaS is renting a fully furnished apartment. PaaS is leasing a semi-furnished place where you bring some of your own tools. And IaaS is renting the land to build your own house. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!